I'm Chef Isaac, and today we're going to be making a Nashville hot chicken sandwich
using Oikos plain Greek non-fat yogurt.
In this recipe, you'll find the yogurt being used in two different components of the total build. First, in the marinade/breading system, yogurt is so versatile, and I find that it really contributes a better flavor in general. It really helps to hold the spices that you'll end up flavoring your marinade with against the protein rather than let them fall into suspension, as well as in the coleslaw dressing. I first started by creating the marinade for the chicken itself. A mixing bowl, just combine your yogurt with some black pepper, kosher salt, some garlic powder, cayenne, and some onion powder as well. After that, you're going to want to marinate your chicken and completely submerge it in the yogurt mix. It's going to help really let the flavors penetrate the protein and acidify it and tenderize it as much as possible. Transfer to, say, the refrigerator, or at the very least, let stand at room temperature for about 1 hour.
Next, you're going to want to prepare your coleslaw dressing. Now, where I typically would have used sour cream and mayonnaise, I once again used only the Oikos plain Greek non-fat yogurt.
I find that the natural tanginess inherently goes with the apple cider vinegar and really helps to carry creaminess throughout the build without any extra fat and even adding protein. Salting my vegetables for the coleslaw a little before dressing them helps to pull some of the water and really give it a nice extra crunch, which is really nice held against that creamy yogurt dressing. After you've prepared your coleslaw, you'll want to transfer your marinated chicken. You can really press that breading on as you need. Once you've got them fully breaded, transfer them to a wire rack on a lined sheet tray. The wire rack, when baking, will let your proteins cook more evenly. It may take about 18 to 20 minutes in the oven, and then set out the rest of your mise en place that you're going to need. You'll want some Nashville hot-style hot sauce, as well as some pickles. I prefer bread and butter, but if you like dill, go for it. Once your chicken comes out of the oven, give it a nice and heavy, generous brush of the Nashville hot sauce, really letting it soak into some of that delicious breading. You're ready to build your sandwich. Start with a warm brioche bun and top it with 3 to 4 pickle slices, your Nashville chicken, and then about 1/2 cup of your crunchy coleslaw, and finish it off at the top of the bun. There you have your Nashville hot chicken sandwich
using Oikos plain Greek non-fat yogurt.